Hi, my name is Wynon from Photo Discount World, and today we are talking about ISO. ISO is one of the three pillars of photography. It determines how sensitive your camera's sensor is to light. A lower ISO, like 100, is used in bright light. It produces the cleanest images with the most detail. When it gets darker, you increase the ISO to help the camera see better without needing a tripod or slow shutter speed. This is essential for indoor events, sports, or night photography where light is limited. But there is a catch. Higher ISO values introduce noise, that grainy texture that can make photos look less sharp. The golden rule is to keep your ISO as low as possible for the situation to ensure the highest image quality. Modern cameras are great at handling noise, but you still want to be mindful of your settings. So, remember, ISO controls sensitivity. Use low numbers for bright light and higher numbers only when you need them. In the next episode, we'll dive into aperture. I'm Wynand from Photo Discount World. See you then.